Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance Exchange and trades with the BNB symbol. As of June 2021, Binance Exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, supporting more than 1.4 million transactions per second. BNB was entirely based on Ethereum network, but is now the native currency of Binance on blockchain, the Binance chain. Every quarter, Binance uses one-fifth of its profit to repurchase and permanently destroy or burn Binance coin held in its treasury. Binance was created as a utility token for discounted trading fees in 2017, but its use have expanded to numerous applications including payment for transaction fees on the Binance chain, travel booking, entertainment, online services, and financial service. At the time, Binance had a market capital for more than $56 billion and ranks behind only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD Tether in terms of market caps. Binance Coin entirely run on Ethereum blockchain with ERC20 standard, but has since become the native coin of the Binance chain. It was launched during an Intel Coin offering ICO in July 2017 and has a strict maximum of 200 million BNB tokens. It offered 10% or 20 million BNB tokens to angel investors, 40% or 80 million token to the funding team, and the remaining 50% or 100 million to the various participants through the ICO process. Almost half the funds raised during the ICO process were intended to be used for Binance branding and marketing, while around one third were used to build the Binance platform and perform necessary upgrades to the Binance ecosystem. Binance was created as a utility token for discounted trading fees in 2017, but since then its use have expanded to numerous applications on a wide number of platforms. It is used to pay for transaction fees on Binance.com, Binance DX, and Binance Chain. It can also be used for payment at places like Crypto.com and HTC, to book travel accommodation at sites such as a Travel by Bit and Travel.com, for entertainment purpose, virtual gifts and packs, lotteries, to pay off online service, BitTorrent, and even for financial purpose. Take out a loan at Etherland or make investment at Muda. One can also use Binance Coin in invest in certain ICO that are listed through Binance Launchpad program. New cryptocurrencies list on the Binance exchange and use the Binance provider as a seamless marketplace for trading in a variety of established and new virtual tokens. BNB proven has the one of the best cryptocurrency in the last years, which also makes it one of the best assets for investors. Bear in mind that just like most of the major cryptocurrencies, BNB is very volatile, especially in the short term. That's because of the decentralized nature of the crypto world, where an authority can have its influence. Therefore, it's safe to say that the volatility of the BNB token only represents of some sentiments of the investors clearly. According to the forecast, investing in BNB coins can be profitable, but the same cannot be said if you are aiming for short-term investment. Binance, being the network platform, is the best crypto exchange to purchase, trade, hold, and sell Binance coin. You can easily buy BNB from Binance Exchange by spending your fiat currency. The buying process of Binance coin is very simple, and you can use the following step to achieve it. Before buying BNB from the Binance platform, it's critical to perform a comprehensive market analysis. Moreover, you must also determine your financial and investment goals clearly in order to make sure where BNB is the right investment option for you or not. It will allow you to make an informed and educated decision, and only after that should you move forward to the next step, funding account. The next step is to open your account to the Binance platform, which is very simple and straightforward. Binance is not banned in the US. However, on May 13, 2021, Bloomberg reported that Binance holding is under investigation by the Justice Department and Internal Revenue Service. According to the report, laundering and tax slots have probed individuals with insight into Binance business. Perhaps the biggest problem associated with all types of cryptocurrencies, especially the major ones, is the use in criminal activity on the dark web. Criminals only use cryptocurrencies, including BNB, to buy illegal items such as weapons, drugs, stolen goods, and more. The crypto industry is very crowded, with new options coming to the market every day. But BNB is one of those cryptocurrencies that not only has shown impressive progress since the beginning but also continues to grow. The community of this digital currency is very strong, with millions of satisfied and members around the globe. There are more than 5,000 different currencies out there in the market that you can buy or invest in. Not only does it make it difficult to choose the right options, but it also increases the chance of losing money. That's why we have come up with the list of 10 cryptocurrencies you can invest in. We have chosen these options very carefully after a long and detailed research work.